Welcome to my channel, where I provide valuable insights and tips on cloud computing and engineering. In today's video, I'll be discussing how you can become a leading cloud engineer in 2023. Cloud engineering is a highly sought-after and lucrative career in the IT industry, projected to reach a substantial market size by 2023. But what does it take to excel as a cloud engineer in this fast-paced and competitive field? What skills and certifications are necessary to stand out and secure your dream job? Stay tuned until the end, as I'll be answering these questions and more. A cloud engineer is responsible for designing, implementing, and managing cloud-based solutions for organizations. They collaborate with cloud service providers like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud to develop and deploy applications, databases, networks, security measures, and other cloud components. Cloud engineers can specialize in various domains, such as DevOps, SysOps, architecture, software development, security, network engineering, or automation. To become a top cloud engineer in 2023, it's crucial to master several essential skills. Based on my research and experience, here are some of the most important cloud engineering skills to focus on in 2023. Cloud security. As more data and systems are stored in the cloud, organizations prioritize security. Cloud security involves implementing best practices, technologies, and principles to safeguard cloud-based assets against threats like hacking, data breaches, and cyber attacks. Key cloud security principles include identity and access management, data encryption, network security, and threat management. Familiarize yourself with various security tools and technologies like firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and SIEM systems. Cloud architecture. Cloud architecture encompasses the design and structure of cloud-based systems, components, and services. Key principles of cloud architecture include scalability, availability, reliability, and performance. As a cloud engineer, you should design and implement cloud solutions that meet clients' functional and non-functional requirements. Understand different cloud models like public, private, hybrid, or multi-cloud, and select the most suitable one for your project. Programming language. Proficiency in at least one programming language widely used for cloud development is essential. Popular programming languages for cloud engineering include Python, Java, C#, Ruby, Go, and Node.js. These languages enable you to create applications running on the cloud or interacting with cloud services. Familiarize yourself with software development concepts such as version control, testing, debugging, and documentation. Databases. Understand database concepts like data models, schemas, queries, transactions, and indexing. Work with different types of databases available in the cloud, such as relational databases, e.g., MySQL, PostgreSQL, NoSQL databases, e.g., MongoDB, Cassandra, or data warehouses, e.g., Redshift, BigQuery. These databases allow you to store and manipulate data used by your applications or services. Networking. Possess strong networking skills to connect cloud-based assets with each other and external users. Configure network components like routers, switches, firewalls, load balancers, VPNs, DNS, and IP addresses. Understand network protocols like TCP, IP, HTTPS, FTPS, SSH, SMTP, and MQTT, enabling communication with various devices or services over the Internet. Cloud infrastructure. Gain foundational knowledge of cloud infrastructure supporting your solutions. Understand how virtualization, containers, and orchestration work, and leverage them to create and manage cloud resources. Familiarize yourself with various cloud services offered by providers, including compute, storage, database, networking, security, analytics, AI, ML, IoT, and serverless. These services allow you to harness the power and scalability of the cloud without managing the underlying infrastructure. Cloud automation. Automating tasks and processes in cloud engineering is crucial. Utilize tools and frameworks like Terraform, Ansible, Chef, Puppet, Jenkins, Kubernetes, Docker, and Lambda to create, deploy, monitor, and update your cloud solutions. Cloud automation saves time, reduces errors, improves efficiency, and ensures consistency across your cloud environments. These are some of the most important cloud engineering skills to consider in 2023. Of course, there are many more skills you can learn and enhance as a cloud engineer based on your interests and goals. Stay up to date with the latest trends and technologies in the cloud by continuously learning, practicing your skills, and obtaining certifications. Conclusion. Cloud engineering is an exciting and rewarding career path, offering ample opportunities for growth and development. To become a top cloud engineer in 2023, it's crucial to master a range of essential skills for the role. In this video, I've shared some of the most important cloud engineering skills to focus on in 2023, backed by research and experience. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content on cloud computing and engineering. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!